Hello, hello. Um, Today I hope I'll finish day 7. Uh, so I th- I think I almost finished with part 1, day 7. Not sure if it'll work. Then not sure if it'll work. And um, I will debug it and all that work. And the amount of time it will take me, but we'll see soon enough, I guess. Just a refresher. Um, what I have to do in this one is I'm getting like 2 columns of cards and bid amount. So the cards, so the numbers are the number of cards, like numbers. So that's 3, 2, and the letters are like this is ace, this is king, queen, and so on, and that is 10. There are no suits. This I think I named one of my function find suit. But the rules are pretty similar to poker. So we have 5 of a kind, 4 of a kind, um, full house, 3 of a kind, and all that stuff. So just gotta check each hand. Um, and then rank them based on their strengths. 5 of a kind will be the strongest, and it will have the highest, like, it will get the highest rank. So the weaker, the lower your rank is, and basically I just have to multiply the rank of each hand by the bid number. And well, that's it for part 1, so let me try and finish it. Okay. I have to remember what I did. The calc strength, put in total winnings. Oh yeah, I remember what I want to do. I have here to bid and actually need wait. Okay. So now I'll just try and place this in order so I don't have to fill it. So it will be sorted after it completes the parse input. So let's go and create ammo card, right? Cards, game, a single game, hand, numbid. And now go from 0 to games size plus how do I insert in the middle of a vector? Check. Oh, you need to insert into the middle of the certain element at a given index. Oh, there's a function. Insert. That's the name of the function. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so what I have to check if my strength is wait. My game is I'm actually attend. Uh see. So if I am okay, so if hand is less than games I I only have let me just copy it. Okay. This one. So this and turning. Let's go. Yeah, okay, so this and I'm just gonna check if this is smaller and if this is equal then I actually don't need this one. So I'm basically checking the first time I see someone's on than me if their strength are the same and strongest card. Actually, this is not correct. I don't need to find the strongest card. I need to find the first strongest card. Why isn't it still operator matches this operator? Ring. Oh, I already have a hand. So let's call it game. Game. Okay, but actually I don't need to find strongest card. Yeah, I need where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna void find first card. And I'm gonna accept camel cards. And let's do it here below. So I need to find the first strongest. So not the current strongest. So cards. I must namespace is not. What do you mean? Is it outside the namespace? Oh, Good. Okay, and now just gonna loop through my hand and his hand simultaneously. They should have the same length, so it's not a problem. So 0 and dot. I'll go just die. Dot. Wait. And it's a map now. Uh, there's a while loop, so there's a while loop. Copying some code here. So I need map iterator. This jar int, right? um, and iterator for our for CC. So I want to run simultaneously on both of them, and the keys should be they're in order on both of them, right? Doesn't mix and match them. Oh, it actually is. Wait. I'll need a string here for an ordered map. Ordered. Okay, so a map is not good to remember them. So let's go and actually I'll create string end. So string and str and here and star. Okay, so like that. So now I can just go through my this str. R.size plus now I have to actually let's because I'll need to check like the number is fine, but I need to check the characters. Oh, there's no really around it. Um, let's then change and into not find strongest card. Uh, let's make it so it convert convert to enum. Okay, and now just gonna pass here a jar card. Card. Fine. And in here, I'll return an int. A card to, let's just convert to num. Oh, just number. Okay. Why there's a problem? Convert no. What? Oops. Int. Why it didn't change? Okay. So just I don't need this. Actually, don't have something card. No. So digit, then I'm returning card minus 0. Oh, okay, and if it is not, I don't actually need an else. Returning some there. This, don't need this, don't need this. That, oh, that here. So switch card, and just let's int num. Also -1, and I know something is wrong. And at the end, I'm gonna return num. Okay, so I'm basically just converting a card into a number so I can compare them. In here, just if and string at I to num and string I is, let's actually store it into int. Nah, fine. PC not hand string at I, then uh, Let's change it again. Let's change it to uh, find winning. Winning is double N. Winning. Yeah, double N. Winning. Yeah. Oh, and let's change it to boolean. Boolean that. Find winning hand. Let's. Is this hand wins? This hand wins. Okay. I think. I think I'm set on the name. Uh, um. Okay, so if this is bigger, I'm gonna return true. True. Else, if smaller, I'm gonna return false. And here I'm gonna print something is wrong. And return, I don't know, false, I guess. Okay, and in here, when I compare, so I check if this is smaller, and I'm gonna return if the strength is combined, so I'm gonna return if uh, as if this is stronger than no, so no, it wins. Possibility. So like that, and in here, if game is on and games at I, then games uh, in games dot insert games in games begin plus I, and I'm gonna insert game and break. Okay, so basically I'm just checking until my game is smaller than the current game. I'm gonna insert this in its place, and this will like move everything aside. This uh, if games dot size equals 0, then I'm gonna games dot pushback game. Okay, and else I'm gonna go for with a 4, because we'll check games at 0 when I don't have games at 0. Will give me error probably. And so this should work probably. I hope so. So here I'm gonna go with the indices. Actually, better to use size t. I think it's recommended to use size t for loops and stuff. The I equals 0. I is less than games size. I plus plus. Now I know that the games are at least supposed to be sorted, right? So also for t wins equals wait, what exactly am I supposed to call it? Okay, so it's speed by it, so that's 0. And uh, okay, so total wins plus equals games I dot speed times I plus 1. That's supposed to be the rank plus 1 because minus starts 0 and the rank starts with 1. And here I'm gonna return total wins. Okay, run it. I don't know what is that. See out. Okay, run it. Have file error. Another not found. Where to? I don't need this actually. This I don't need. Longest card. I also don't need those two. Did it work? No, there's another less. Wait. Oh, that's the more of an check that. Okay, it took a bit of time. It took me 570 seconds. 500. Let me run it again and see if. Oh, no, it's 300 seconds. Let me show you. What number is this? This is the number. And let's paste it into here, and that's not the right answer. It is too low. That is what I was afraid of. Right, let's go over the sample and check. Do I have a sample? I don't think so. Okay, no. Sample. And I'm gonna copy sample. Okay. And run it on the sample. And it's 765. It's supposed to be 6,440. Oh, wait, it turns only this, so this is 765. Why is that? Oh, let's check. Um, okay, so size 1. Why is it on size 1? Does this overwrite? Um. Oh no. What? Um. How does it do it like that? Okay. Let's check. Revenue bin. The games is one. I bid. Doesn't. Oh wait. Uh. Hold the flag maybe. Because when I'm inserting the smallest one. Wait, that's. Go. Biggest one. If I'm inserting the. Okay, let's try. Oh, is inserted. It's false. Is inserted is true. Now, so the 4. If not inserted, then list. Okay, now it gives me 6,641, which is the correct. It is not. It is off by 1. Why is it off by 1? Let me check. It's supposed to be that hard to check. So, so I have an easier time to actually debug it. I'll make into 40. I want to add close this and just okay. Now let's debug it. Size 5, is it correct? 2, 3, 4. Yes, I have 5 here. 6, 7, 6, 5. Next one supposed to be 220 times 2. 120 times 2 is 440. Now I have 28 times 3. We want a calculator, I guess. Uh, 28 times 3 supposed to be 84. Let's check. That's 84. Now, I actually now I have 684 times 4 supposed to be 2007. So what? That's not 1932. Um, 684 times 4. 4 times 4. Count to odd. Um, okay, let's keep checking, I guess. Already off by a lot though, so it's supposed 483 times 5. Uh, have this. I plus 1. Okay, so bid is so okay, so you int bid for t bid equals this, and also this is int, I guess, because rank is bid 765. Okay, so bid 765 is correct. Rank 1 is also correct. Okay. Bid 220. Rank 2. Then bid 28. Rank 3. Bid 684. Nope, it switched places with the last one. This is not correctly. So why is it not correctly sorted? Let's see. Total winnings. It's not. E 684. And both of a kind can be strong first card, so it gets rank 5. Let me see. Um, is smaller. Okay. Oh wait. So if this number is bigger than this, then it wins. Let's actually run this. Comment this out for now. And full flag doesn't. Oh wait, oops. Um, let's create the end first. So game. Yeah, I need to create a game. So cards. Couple cards. Yay. I'll give it 84 and 84. So bid there. Oh, oops. This is card and this is 684. 4 and we'll flag post game dot his hand wins with am I passing on game? Oh right. It's another game. The hand is this and number the vid is 48. 43, right? Yeah, so wins. This is game. Okay. And okay. 0. So this isn't. Was day 7 coming along? It's fine. I am a bit stuck here, but I think I'm pretty close to finishing part 1. Sorry if I missed it. I wasn't looking at the chat, and maybe somehow to place it on my main screen. I don't know how. When you get stuck on. Okay, so this, where is it? My parse input is so it is inserting the game based on if it's like lower. I have override operator. So basically, if I see something that I'm smaller than, then I'm inserting it in its place. As my understanding goes, like moves everything to the right, the vector. So basically, after parse input, I know my vector is already sorted, but for some reason, these two. This is the sample, by the way, how the input will go. But for some reason, these two get switched. So this is actually this is supposed to be rank 4, I think. And if so this is supposed to be rank 4 and this 5, but instead I'm getting this is 4 and this is 5. But C++ versionary targeting? Good question. I have no idea. I know this probably have the latest. If this is what you mean, what version do I have? We're thinking the hand type into account. Uh, what do you mean hand type? Like the strength of each card that's supposed to check with each individual card. Yeah, so if they, I mean, what I think I'm doing here is they're supposed to have this, they have the same, where is it? So I'm giving each, I'm putting each card into a map, and for each of its, uh, for each card that I see, I'm increasing the number by 1, and then I'm just checking what type of hand it is. So type of hand I'm calling strength, so it starts with strength 1. This will be if I don't have any type, so just taking the high card. I have same suits and number of pairs, and basically, um, so basically, if card's second, oh, that's the map. So if it is bigger than same suit, but wait, what? Same suit is card second. Why did I do that? Oh, uh, when I wrote it yesterday, it made sense in my head. I'm not sure what it's doing. Uh yeah, but it's supposed to. It what does it do? Second is the value of the map. So, and if it is the same suit, if it is bigger than the, so it's searching for the maximum, I guess, right? And if it is a pair, oh, okay, I get it. I search for the maximum same suits I have and the number of pairs I have. So if it's 2, then I have at least 1 pair, then maximum 2 pairs. But yeah, I'm calculating the amount of pairs. So, and there's just an ugly if else if statement. So if same suit is 5, then it's the strongest it can be, right? If it's 4, then 6th strongest. If I have 3 of same suit and 1 pair, then 5th. 3 of same suit, then 4th. If I have 2 pairs, it's 3, and if I have 1 pair, it's 2. And well, if I didn't go through, if I didn't change it at all here, so it stays at 1, the weakest. After I remember what it's supposed to do, it still makes sense to me that it works, but and it kind of works, just not for the last two, for some reason. Uh, yeah. So, um, I mean, the strength is working, but because they're supposed to be equal in strength, so this hand it turns false. So, is it supposed to return false in here? So I'm checking if game 1 is better than game 2. Supposed to be so. It's rank 5. No, it does what I want, I think. No. Uh, Returns 0, right? Yeah, it returns 0. So, supposed to work. Here for some reason they are sorted correctly. Because it's the last game, what's going on here? So I have 6. What's coming first? I have 683 at the last place. Then oh, I get it. I think. Um. So it's stronger. No, it's supposed to get here. Okay, let's go and here and jump between. Oh, I don't want. The jump between breakpoints. Oh, parsing it. How do I over into no this? How do I jump between breakpoints? Let me see how do I jump between breakpoints. It's too much to click. Jump between breakpoints. Visual Studio. F5. Ah, that works. Okay, wait. What the game I'm on? Game is 28. 28 supposed. Actually, I just need to get to the end. Okay, so you could. I'm at 0. 1. Isn't such as still false? Uh, I is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Oops. Uh, 0, 1, 2. Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we did fail the test against it. What's the strength of this? Let me see. Strength 4. Strength 4 is supposed to be 4 of a kind. Huh? It's 3 of a kind. 1, 2. You're welcome. Jesus. Hello. Oh, the 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 noise it made. Holy shit! 130 viewers. Hello. I'm struggling a bit here. Um, actually, day 6 was my favorite because it was the easiest. Uh, hello. Oh my god. Never had this many viewers. Who rated me? The Captain Coder. Thank you very much, man. Oh my god. Lines 20 to 23 aren't read just yet. Whereas lines 20 to 23. Thanks. uh, uh, lines 20 to 23. If second card is bigger than maybe uh why isn't it right? It's supposed to start on no. I don't think so. Uh think the classifier is wrong for the hand you just looked at. Yeah. I this answer it thinks it's 4 of a kind and it's supposed to wait 4. No, it thinks it's 3 of a kind. But it's is it 3 of a kind? Oh yeah, wait, it is 3 of a kind. Or am I stupid? Ah, wait. Uh wait, the strength is correct. If I same suit is 3, so it's 3 of a kind and it gets strength 4. What strength did I get on where is it? For the rest of it. This. Also strength 4. Um hmm. I'm missing something very stupid probably. Maybe this confuses me. If same suit is 3, strength is 4. Ah, I don't get it. Also, I checked here. Wait, where is it? Checked here. This returns false. As it's supposed to. Oh, and this returns false. On game 1. And it's not supposed to win this one. Is correct. Uh, I have no idea what am I missing here. What is the is hand windmill supposed to return? Yeah, whether the instance I'm calling is winning. Where is it? So over the overreading an operator here. So convert to num is basically just takes the character of the hand and converts to num. So if this is bigger, so the current instance is bigger, then the hand string of the instance I'm giving it, then I'm returning true. And if it is small, I'm returning false. If it's equal, uh, printing this because it's not supposed to be equal all the way through, as far as I understand. Uh, this is the operator, so if the strength's the same, then I'm calculating if hand wins. And if strength is not the same, then I'm just returning the whichever strength is whichever card has more strength. So yeah, it is off by one actually. Yeah, the in I want to try something. I don't think it will work because it's we know that and with three queens isn't four of a kind. Why do you think it isn't four of a kind? It then strength. I know where with the confusion. Strength starts with seven. Uh, Strength four. It means I counted three of the same suit, so it's three of a kind. And it is three of a kind, right? Yeah, I got confused also by this after I wrote it. Probably should change it. What else? Why you have the same if clause twice with opposite condition? Um, but and wins right here because um, it's not just else. Else will be less or equal. If it's equal, don't want to return it. I want to keep checking. If this is what you're talking about, I want to keep checking the hand. Uh, each hand the same place if one of them is one of the cards is stronger, and if and it's never goes inside any of this, then all the hands supposed to be equal. I mean, I have two equal ends, and then it's not supposed to happen. So I'm just printing something. If this is what you were talking about, I'm going to convert num for CC hand string. Oh, wait, that is right actually. Why don't I convert to num? Wait, is this it? What? Hell? Wait. It's still off by one. But it's supposed, yeah, it was supposed to be there. If it's equal, you don't return anything. I return false. Still off by one though. So maybe this is wrong. Uh, yeah. So if I understood your question, so yeah, if it is not big or smaller, then I don't return anything yet, unless it's out of the for loop. Then I checked every card. Then return false. This is useless. I mean, yeah, I guess. Um, can delete it. It doesn't matter really because I'm printing it anyway. I guess that something is wrong. Um, Still didn't solve my problem. So why this didn't change anything? It was supposed to convert to. It's not used to the loop keep running when they're equal. Yeah, what Steve said. Thank you, Steve. Uh, EM. I thought it will take me like half an hour tops. This part, I have another part coming up. It'll be fun. I'm sure. Why is it off by one though? Let me check on the. Maybe it did change something. I have a number here. I don't think it changed something because it didn't for. Oh shit! It works. I don't know why this works and it doesn't work on the input. What? What is going on? Where's the input? The sample. Sorry, it works on the input, but not the sample. Uh, that's not. Let me go back here. Yeah. Okay. So, um, wait, function turns false anyway, so useless or not doesn't do anything. Yeah, I think maybe I probably should rewrite a lot of it, but like it works for now. I don't if it. Oh, you mean maybe you mean this one? Uh, no, wait. Yeah, I get what he's getting on. So I can. Will it lose readability if I delete this? I mean, at the end of the day, I'm returning false here, so it maybe lose some readability, I guess. But I, I can go without it. It doesn't really matter. I think I need to break the loop. Um, why do I need to break the loop if I don't return here? Yeah, the loop will end with no trues, and it will go here and return false. This is how I see it, or understand it more like. Would return true at a later point in the deck, and that would be correct. Um, oh, you are correct. Right. Right. I think I thought of that when I wrote it, and I forgot about it. But yeah, I need to return false immediately if it's less. That is correct. Um. Anyway, where's the sample? I need to see. Is the sample correct? Maybe because there's no way it worked on the input, but not the sample. I need to see it. Look at this sample and compare it. Yeah. First line is correct, second is correct, third is correct, fourth is correct. Yeah, and it returns an off by one on the sample. The input was correct. I'm a bit confused. Not gonna lie. This 765, right? 84. What then? What's after 84? This is 84. So 684 supposed to be now. Yeah, 684. The sample file match. Yeah, I just checked it. It matches, yeah. 684 and 483 rank 5. Right. What? Oh, that I confused with Schenk. Rank is indeed 5. So 483 times 5. Using the rank variable. Oh, yeah, yeah. This was for debug. I don't need it. I just want to debug it when didn't it work on the input. I mean, I can continue to part 2. I technically got it, but why does it not work on the sample? It's off by 1. Okay, maybe let me check with my calculator. So 765 times 1 plus 20 times 2. Oh, fuck. It is correct. I'm stupid. The off by 1 was. I thought it's 6,441. And now it gives me 6,440. So I thought it was 6,440 before. It actually was off by 1 before that. So I just wasted some time. It is correct on the sample. Yeah, I fixed it. Yeah. Um, Thank you though on this one. I really didn't see it. Uh, was that you? Yeah. Thank you, Steve. That was that really was what was the problem here. Okay, so part 2. I hope it won't be too bad. Let me just switch second. Okay, and okay, so part 2. To make things a little more interesting, the elf introduces one additional rule. Now J cards are jokers, wild cards that can act like whatever card would make the hand the strongest type possible. I already don't like it. What? To balance this, J cards are now the weakest individual cards. Weaker even than 2 other cards stay in the same order. Okay. J cards can pretend to be whatever card is best for the purpose of determining hand type. For example, Queen JJ Queen 2 is now considered 4 of a kind. However, for the purpose of breaking ties between two hands of the same type, J is always treated as J, not the card is pretending to be. So this weaker than this because J is weaker than Queen. Now the above example goes very differently. Oh god. Uh, okay, okay. I think I can make it. I think I can do it. Let me try. And switch back to Visual Studio. Um, okay, now it's time to sit in silence and think for half an hour. These are fun. They are. Well, I heard from my girlfriend that 11 is awfully scary. It took her like a lot of time, and especially with part 2, there's something scary there is going on. 11, the latest day. but they are fun. Also, I that's interesting. I thought the 11 was one of the easiest so far. Really? I mean, we must have approached it differently. Uh, yes, but I mean, I'm not really good at coding, right? I'm doing this for like 12 months in C++. I mean, I did some before, but uh, mainly focusing on C++ was like for 2 months. Oh, thank you. Uh, yeah, I mean, I did coding for like a bunch of years, but on and off in different languages and stuff like that. So I think I have strong fundamentals, but C++ is pretty different from everything else I was doing till now. Yeah, but um, my girlfriend said it was pretty hard, and she like completed I think almost everything in 2021. No, about 2022. Um, but I do feel that I did some of 2022, and I do feel like it's been harder relatively. Watch part one that Eric was setting up trap with. Um, maybe. I don't know her approach. I know the question. Uh, I mean, I know her approach with part two. Part one, I'm less. I don't know what she did. I think she just did the whole uh, loop, did the loop, and then divided by two or something. Um, for part two, it was something with uh, circles and stuff that you. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna whip out my paint. Show you what she told me the approach with thing was. You'll see. I'm not pursuing an AOC, and I don't disable still anymore. Don't follow following this up. Yeah, I hope I can get at least to day 15, but I don't know. I have some Lux knowledge, how you say it, especially like graphs and stuff like that. But it is fun. Like I was sitting beside her when she wrote the code for 11. I didn't understand a lot of it. I mean, it was C++, but he has like 7 years of actual experience. I was just like looking and nodding, but it was kind of fun. The stuff that I did understand. Um, so let me show you what she did. Uh, I hope you can see it. Okay, I mean the ratios, you can see it. Okay, so if we have a loop, like a circle or whatever shape, if you are inside and you try to like go outside, then the amount of intersections, that was day 10 maybe. Yeah, I think that was day 10. Yeah, that was yesterday. I'm sorry for confusing, but yeah, day 10. Day 11, I don't know what's going on there. No idea. But she said that day 10 was hard. So day 11, probably read it later. Yeah, but I think her approach was like really smart. She remembered it for puzzle or something that she did way earlier. Um, so like if you are inside and go outside, there's only one, uh, not one. There's an odd amount of intersections. Uh, Not just inside, outside to inside too. And if you go from outside to outside, then there are equal numbers of intersections. And works with every shape. That's if I understand her correctly, right? So you go from here to here, then it's 1, 2, 3. So that's odd. 1. You keep track of every time you cross a boundary because that means either entered or exited this shape. Odd you entered, even you exited. Right. That's what she told me. Thank you for reminding me exactly what that meant. That was like kind of cool. I didn't know that that's a thing. Okay, so let's go back to end of code. And I'll try to solve it within this lifetime. So uh-huh. First of all, J is now 2. No, 1. Right, we have 2. Last time I actually wrote C++ was almost a quarter century ago. Whoa. It was kind of fun. I recently did some funky graphics stuff with. Nice. What's this deal? Direct medial here. It's a library, and you can build graphic stuff with this. I know about graphics and C++. I only know about OpenGL. I mean, I know about it. I don't know how to write with it, but that sounds cool. And I love C++ as much as I suffer with it. Go. Yeah. Try to concentrate on the code somehow. Yeah. Actually, if I have ones, okay, wait. I can just add the other basic layer on top of APIs like OpenGL as well as some other. I was I just searched it up like I was here a bit. I mean, it sounds cool. I might get into OpenGL and stuff like that later, but it's like math and stuff, and I wasn't able to complete my second year because of math and stuff in college. So yeah, but it is cool. I want to try out some of those things at some point. Okay, maybe if I just change the way I calculate strength, that's basically it, right? Uh, but I need to also add something if the same. So Karen. Oh. I can add. Is that your code? It's intimidating. Apple has been trying to really murder OpenGL. Why can't I read it? I've pinned a message here and okay, OpenGL for quite a while now. There are newer APIs now that might be better to learn, but OpenGL still works on most non-Apple things. I'll keep that in mind. I have bad memory, but I'll try to remember that. What's Proton posted here? It looks intimidating, I'm not gonna lie, for me at least. I can actually show it. Wait, can I show it? Is it fine? I don't want to just... I mean, I guess you posted here, so it's like you're okay with sharing it. So I'm gonna switch to that, okay? Did That's what he did. There's a lot of stuff here. Still in it. Yes, this is... I know, by the way, I have no idea. I guess that's for the... There's a video of that. Executed. Is that like your channel or something? What's is icosahedron executed? Oh, sorry, it's loud. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Nice tune also. Different color and stuff. So it seems that there's a lot of math in here. Yeah. It's really cool what you can do with C++ and libraries. Fascinating language, really. That's actually cool. Funny. I took a funny path with this. Funny path. I mean, I don't understand any of it, so I wrote 3D routine a long time ago. What's a 3D routine? Is it like the spinning of it? The math for it? Oh, I forgot. Let me actually also try doing some advent of code. I have an idea. I can. Where is it? Here. Here. 3D routine is when you have to stack up your punch card. Punch card? What am I missing? Are we talking about what's punch cards? Oh, those things. Is it? Yeah, I see it now. Where I do. I did heard about them. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not really. I don't really understand computer science lore that well. And proof of concept of the routing using 8-bit integers and only converting to 6502 assembler and wrote the same routine for Commodore 64. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't understand half of it. But it did look cool and it sounds cool. Okay, so if wait, will it work here? My idea for this is when I see a J, I'm just adding 1 to all of them. Will it work though? I don't see a problem here, but can it like then they calculate and I'll try it, I guess. This 64 41 years old, 8-bit home computer, world's best-selling computer ever. Really? 41 years ago, people bought that much computers that it oversells today's computers. I mean, I guess if you have like it was now we don't count computers that like a bit better stuff like Commodore 64 was like around for a lot of time, right? Guessing. It does kind of make sense. Also, uh, I guess it was one of the first ones that can be like home computers. In, in so I remember now I seen someone write what was that? A 5 I think on Commodore. If the 6502 made a lot of things cheap back then, at least relatively. That makes sense. Is there a problem with my approach? It was also in the original Nintendo and some Apple II models. I'm not sure like what constitutes the computer. Is that's like the processor of it? That's the Commodore. Um, although it's the yeah okay. Adding one to everything one more. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking because it sounds a bit too easy. Because I'm adding one to everything. Uh, then everything is at least 5 of a kind, right? So, uh, no, but some are more than 5 of a kind. Because now I have more numbers. So, hmm. I guess I can add it. No. I guess I can this. After this, sorry. Uh, add add it to every. Oh, it doesn't really matter. I just need to change this, I guess. So everything will be 5 of a kind, but 5 of kinds will be 10 of a kind. So still will be more, I think. Right. Hmm. So in just a second. Yo. this has to change again. Just add 5 to it, right? Add 5 to everything. Nine. Oh god, wait, that's... What about number of pairs? Pairs are now 7s. The CPU was running at 185 kilohertz is right in all version, and it doesn't have actual math processing capability, just adding and subtracting and bit shift. I mean, is it what at the end of the day CPU does, or actually CPUs can uh, better math? I mean, I guess they have better math processing because they're faster, but is there actually something beyond it to classify your new much larger hands? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. I have no idea. Um, I guess these are not bad because they can just... they're just so much... No, this won't work, I think. I mean, it may work, but I have no idea how to change it. So just change this so it... Hmm. Can... I can add to the same suit, not to every number. To after I find the same suit of everything, I can add maybe the amount of J's. So it will be my hardest, strongest same suit. I need to check, however, that I don't add multiple. So if I have like 3 J's, we'll add another 3 J's. Plus, they can also do more floating point math. Didn't even have an actual industry standard until and so forth. Oh, interesting. I thought modern CPUs are just old CPUs, but with faster. Can do more of the same operations per second or per millisecond, how they count it. That's interesting. Eh, I need to keep track of the J somehow. Number of pairs. I guess I can wait. If I do that, if hand at J equals to same suit, if it does not equals, then same suit plus equals and at J. That's supposed to be capital J. Hey. And let's check if same suit. Wait, if same suit plus this is more than 5, then same suit just equals 5. think it'll be easier to track, right? Oh, that's the same suit, but uh what about the pairs? What do I do with the pairs? Um Wait, how exactly does that work? Can I just oh uh hmm. I don't really know what to do with the pairs. Yes, in relative comparison, damn, that's a big number. That's like 100,000? 2,000,000. 100,000 times powerful and 64 is. I mean, makes sense, but the number is kind of huge. Yeah. Mm, okay, so uh, what do I do with the pairs? I'll just. Yeah, I can imagine that it wasn't really. I mean, I know technology was bad, but I didn't use it, so I don't have the perspective really. So, yeah. Anyway, that everything it does make sense. I just didn't. I was born 2000, so my first computer I think was at like age 10, so it was like 2010. A bit earlier, but yeah. Yo. Anyway, what I was trying to say is that I don't have the perspective for how bad technology was. I mean, with basic about 42 years ago. 42 years? Yeah, that. Wait. Damn. That's. I mean, that I think. Now that I think about it, I know coding and stuff was. In the actual computer was like a lot of time ago. 42 does make sense, but it sounds a lot when I read it out. I mean, it is a lot. Uh, I have no idea what to do with the pairs. I mean, this I think makes sense. What else here? But in all this progress from. Yeah, that. I guess that's the um, positive thing about the old technology. You get to see it evolve. Kind of cool, but we still obviously see technology evolve now. Might. Okay, so let's say you have A122J and 123JJ. Does two pairs plus three of a kind win, or does three of a kind? Ah, Wait. Okay, so J will transform into 2, right? So it will have 3 of a kind or 2 pairs, right? Uh, I mean, it can transform into either, sorry, not 2 pairs. It can transform either a pair or 3 of a kind, right? So it will choose 3 of. So I want to choose 3 of a kind over it, and this transforms into 3 of a kind. It doesn't have two. Oh, it has 2 pairs, and are 2 pairs worse, right? Pairs 2 pair worse than 3 of a kind, right? So 3 of a kind wins. Um, so if I have, okay, I want to check if I have 3 of the same. Full house also throwing me off, but okay. Uh, do I have to touch the pairs? I mean, no, it can turn into pairs, right? But will I ever want to into turn into pairs instead of just amount of suits? Um, said you were going to add one to everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanted to at the beginning, but now I thought maybe this is easier to keep track of. So I'm just here. I just check that I am not J, so I don't want to add to J anything, right? And here I'm adding. I'm checking if what I added to same suit is not greater than 5. If it is, then same suit is 5. Does it make sense even? Uh, 5 two J's in the same suit. I'm so confused about this. I think this makes sense. Correct me if I'm wrong. Um, if it is bigger than 5, I'm setting it to 5. If it is not, I'm just adding it. We have 1 1 2 JJ. What's the best hand you can make? 1 1 1 1, 4 of a kind. Right? Yeah, 4 of a kind. Yeah. I'm so confused by the pairs. Does it ever matter if I turn the J into pair? Because I'm always trying to target the most amount of suits. Will it be enough? Um, I mean, it sounds like it will be enough, but I feel like it will be not. Like I have to check for. Or is what your example showed me here? That I always want to try and. I mean, I'm pretty sure what you said is right, but it depends on the implementation. This is the implementation. This is all I did for now. um, I guess I can try to run it and see what happens. Oh wait, I have to also change. Where is it? His hand wins, right? Uh, oh well, no, it's fine. I changed the J here. Uh, so I changed the J to 1, so it will lose in I guess let's try and run it. It's still 6,440. So it's not right. Supposed to be 5,905. Uh, why did anything change? That's a bit. I mean, I expected the wrong answer, but nothing changed. Why did nothing change? I can maybe breakpoint here. But let's do the foreign. Let's again. I didn't follow it. So 6, 4. Same suit is. Oh, oops. And okay, 4. So for this, 4 of a kind is the best, right? Uh, oh, yeah. It makes sense. It's 4 of a kind, right? So 5. Okay. Now this is supposed to turn into. Oh, I can't make it bigger. Can you see it? Oh, uh, this is. Yeah, that's 4 of a kind. Also, right? Yeah. This supposed to be 3 of a kind. Can be 3 of a kind or pair. Oh, it can be 3 of a kind or 2 pairs. 2 pairs is worse than 3 of a kind. Right. Thanks for the stream before I. Okay. Well, thank you for being here. I might like to see those translations. I hope you have a great day, Proton. What? Oh, it doesn't have a J. Doesn't have a J. Okay, this is supposed to be 4 of a kind. This is just 2 pairs. Is 4 of a kind. Wait, 4 of a kind or 3 in a pair? Full house. 4 of a kind is. Let's see. Here's the original song I wrote almost 2 decades ago on Java. Oh, I actually wrote some Java. Let me share it. and I get some of it, I think. I mean, I get the syntax, I don't know how it works. Encoder A delta. ADD delta, AD delta. So A delta delta, is that a animation delay? Init is what's SC? 48 times the minimum width and height. This is commented. Start. I mean, it looks impressive. I understand the syntax at least. Don't know how it works, but nice work, man. Or the how do you say this? This in slang. Nice work. If you add the Cheer JP Runner extension to your Chrome, you can run it. Wait, how? I did not. Oh, extension. This. Uh, here. This. Without using Java. I do have Java, by the way. Oh no, I don't have on this. Okay. Oh, nice, nice. That that is amazing. That's that's the code, and that's the code. That's really nice. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to run it in. I have Visual Studio Code, I think. Okay, but nice work. Real well done. And here it's supposed to be 4 of a kind, right? Same suit 2. What? Why is it same suit 2? It's supposed to be 4 of a kind. Oh, wait. Supposed to be inside the 4, maybe? Is the same JavaScript that turns without extent. Oh, cool. Show you all thing. Sit. I mean, I can sit on my computer, but on the stream it's not too gray. Uh, Not a great background for some reason on my stream. My mouse was my mouse always flickering? Oh no, here my mouse not flicker. I hope you all saw it, but the screen was all background was white for some reason. On my side it was gray. Uh, wait, let's return to post to same suit F4. Two. Oh, I know it. I get it. I get it. Because we have two J's. So actually, do I have to check this? Do I have to check this? I mean, at most, I'm not getting over 5 anyway. So if I had... No, I do have. If I have two J's and say JJ1, 2, 3, and then it make 4 of a kind for J. So sounds like an easy solution, but I don't have an idea what to do here. I need to... I need to... Also doing on assembler now. This. And cloud. Is it your channel? Might be a little easier to think about it. You have made a separate variable for the J count. But if you made a separate variable for the J, then you can decide what to do. A 34. But then you decide what to do if f was adding both variables. I think I get it. Wait, I gotta read it again. Might be a little easier when both counts into the same suit variable. Also, not count the J. Is that what you mean? Addition or division and no hard works on drawing. Wait, you made this animation? This looks cool. I'm gonna lie. That's some no multiplication or division and no hard accelerated drawing. That is cool. And hard. If I understand it correctly, do you mean maybe I shouldn't count the J's? Just don't count them? But if when you get line 34 you knew the maximum count of cards with the same value, or same suit but didn't include the J's, that with an additional variable telling you that. Yeah, okay, so not if card second dot first isn't j and second is bigger than same. Good. Then I'm adding. I also just have the information about hand j. Okay. And I do have now. I have to do something. The number of j's in hand. What will it? I'm thinking of edge cases. Because you told me that I have to add it into a variable, but I'm not sure how to use it. Like where should I consider the number of j's in all of this? Or is it just enough? What does it gives me? Still the same. So oh, I don't need the if. Of course it didn't. I have no idea what to do with the amount of j's. 5905. Answer is 5905. So can run input. Okay. I'm gonna show you what the output is. This is the output. Let's hope it's the correct one. Fuck. Okay, at least it works on the sample. It is too high though. So there's an edge case. I didn't think. I have like another half an hour, I think. I hope to finish it half an hour. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow if I don't think about a solution. Also will have time to think about the solution. But yeah, probably have to do something with the amount of j's. What though? No idea. I mean, I can't think of an edge case here. If I have four j's. Wait, what about full house? How it deals with a full house? Or kind of never converts to full house. I don't think converts to full house. What? One? What was it? Assuming you're not counting j's, if you have two pairs, the most j's you can have is 1, so the best ending full house. Can't have any J's at all if you have 4 of a kind. The highest you can make is 5 of a kind with 1 J, etc. You have 2 pairs. The most J's you can have is 1. Yeah, if I have 2 pairs, the most J's you can have. If I have 2. Oh, wait. I get it. Um, if I have, say, 1, 1 to J 3, no, 3 of a kind. How do I make 2 pairs with J? I can't make 2 pair with J. I can't have J's with 2 pairs, or am I? If I have J, if I have, say, 1 J 2 2, then J will come 2. 3 of a kind. 3 of a kind is better than what? 3 of a kind is better than 2 pair. Oh, that's what you wrote. Okay. If you have a full house, you can't have any J's at all. If you have 4 of a kind, the highest you can make is 5. Maybe that was the problem. It was a 1 here for some reason. Not supposed to be called same suit, but whatever. I'm getting a number. I think it's a different number. I should have wrote it down, but I'll try to really in. It's not the answer. Why? I had 1 here, so I thought. What if I have 5? Oh wait, if I have 5 J's, it won't count as 5 of a kind. Get it? I think. Okay, so if I add here, say 4 and J, capital J, is 5, then strength. Now what about the 4 of a kind? I have 4 J's and 1 number. I have 4 J's with 1 number. 4 of a kind is better than full house. No, it will make 5 of a kind, so. Oh, I didn't switch back. Sorry. Yeah. I basically added this. So because I'm not counting J's and I can have 5 J's. I'll run it. I get a different. What's my previous now? I think it's. I got. But in all cases, adding J's, you have the largest set of matching cards is always the best option. Yeah, so I don't care about pairs. J turning into pairs. So what I'm doing here is supposed to be enough. If I understand correctly, I thought of a single use case that so I added here. Edge case. So I added this. So maybe? I think I'm gonna get timed out for a couple of minutes here. He doesn't like when I spam. I think it's too high. What's the number? Wait, I gotta write it down somewhere. Let's write it down here. Too high. So I want to try and certain number that is higher than this. Did it add any? Let me check. Oops, sorry. Again, forgot to check. So this doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. It gives me the same answer. Okay. Doesn't have the input doesn't have JJJ. I want to check it. Wait. 5Js. The input does have 5Js. So I have 5 of the same suit. This is supposed to change the answer, but it does not. Because without this, where's my? Without this, I have now at least one hand that's just one hand that's getting strength 1 when it's supposed to get strength 7. But I did change it and it doesn't change the answer. What am I missing? Why didn't it change? Is it? It's too high. So I mean, yeah, the too high doesn't mean. Um, does this if matters? I'm gonna get away with just adding J. Doesn't matter. Let me see. Let me see what it goes without. Add J's. Without it, it gives me the same answer. So I guess if it's working, you can always add the J's in. I don't understand. Um, what do you mean add J's in? I'm adding it here. So work on this. Still works. I don't know if it works though. But I mean, apparently not. I think the problem is here, but maybe it's somewhere else. Um, maybe it's here. Strength, and I say let's calculate. Fine. In the same still. J, change J. J is 1. Um, wait, if the, the although it doesn't make really sense. I thought maybe. A second. Okay. Uh I don't get what's the problem here. I'm guessing so it's supposed to be here. I still need all of those because even if I've what about I'm counting them. Maybe it's wrong that I'm counting pairs at um at its own on its own. Maybe I need to somehow. Maybe I'm counting J also don't pairs. I don't want to count J's at all, right? So J and this here or and J equals no wait I don't need this. Are you converting two pairs to a full house? Let's see. If I have, I mean, you mean two pairs and a J, right? So here it counts two. Then um, uh, yeah. So here it counts two. Yeah, I think it's a full house, but let's see. Here it counts. Okay, so same suit is supposed to be two now, right? That's the and number of pairs is also two. Um, now I have same suit of three because I have one J, right? Same suit plus one, three, and I have a pair, so three and a pair. Oh, I have three and two pairs now, so maybe this. It gave me a smaller number. Let's try it out. Let's E. Now I have to wait 5 minutes. Okay, but that I think this is direction things. I don't, but I have probably another edge case. Um, compares more or equal. Yeah. So what you said, by the way, was true. I was getting in here. Same suit because I was checking if it is number of pairs equal to one, but I had counted two pairs and oh yeah I always forget that. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Uh, so what I was saying, um, I was counting here if I have same suit, three, and one pair, but I can have now I can have like two pairs, and I'm adding the J. It's three and two pairs. So changed it, and it gave me a smaller number, which was in the direction. This is too high. Um, but it's still not correct. Now, what other cases can there be? Number of This I don't care for J's about, right? Because if I have two pairs, then J is not supposed to even get here. Um, what else am I missing? I'm and it goes in order, so it's not this correct for. I have like, let's say, three cards, or times 4 plus maybe that should these two should be fine. This I think is fine. Um, Same suit. Three of a kind. Does three of a kind works for me? Um, if I have one one J 2 3, can make, yeah, it will have 1 1, counts one twice, and I'm adding in the one J, so it has 3, and so it's supposed to go in here. Oh, this is not supposed to change anything. Can J add pairs? Can there be now pairs? Um, J is not supposed to add pairs. This here. Um, yes, adding a J to a high card hand creates a pair. Yeah, okay, so 1 2 3 yeah, 1 2 3 4 J. And it does create a pair, but now, oh, got it. Yeah, I just, okay. Um, I'm not accounting for that. Um, okay, so my brain's a little bit fried, so I'm thinking slower. Sorry. I understand what you said. Um, so maybe I do need to. Uh, no, I need to. I need to change this. Change this. So uh, if If I remove this, I can have more than 2 pairs, right? 129. If the count of J's is 1 and also 229. Oh, yeah, I understand. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, typing is hard. Especially, I don't know if you're on your phone or not, but especially on the phone. But I don't bother to actually correct myself, so this is nice to correct. I also don't know English apparently, but yeah, typing is hard. So uh, so if um, same suit same suit is 1 and uh, num of pairs is 0, right? Num of j's, sorry, it's num of j's, and j's is 1, then num of pairs plus plus. I got a number. I don't remember if it's more, less than. It does say right. So same suit 1. Oh, and I have 1j. So should create. Okay, let's paste it in. Check and without that change to. I didn't think about it for some reason. Thank you. Why didn't I think about it? So let me paste the answer. So, so this is the answer. And out. It is not the same answer, but it is pretty close, but I guess not a lot of edge cases. But it is different answer. So let's try it out and get locked out for like 10 minutes. Oh, that's 5 minutes again this time. I guess there are more edge cases. I hope there are edge cases and nothing wrong with actual way I count it here, because that's my only idea. The best in the correct answer. Wait. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Hmm. Mm, yeah, that's exactly my reaction. Oh, oh no. Um, where else can it be a problem? Not supposed to be a problem. Not counting J's for pairs though. No, if I have pair of J's, then it's already 3 of a kind, so I don't have two J's. Have one. Oh, I need to convert J. Um, wait. I don't need to. Um, um, did paste in the correct answer, right? I mean, did paste this, I hope. So but check if it's a it's not supposed to be more than 5, right? Adding. Yeah, it can exceed 5. I don't. Also, don't need. Do I need this? Because I have 0 of the same. I don't need this. I have 0 of the same suit, and I'm already adding 5 J's. I don't need this, but I don't think it'll change the answer, right? Change. But they got rid of, I guess. Um. Now. That's strength. Bad number of pairs. I know that strength is pair, right? Was 2. Um. Oh, wait. Maybe it's supposed to be here, right? Pairs. Or it doesn't matter. They did change the answer. There's some suit already be 2 there. What do you mean? Same suit is. Oh. Uh, what should I do though? Um. No, my same suit starts at 0. Oh, but it will. With a high card, same suit would be 1. If you had a single J, same. Yeah. Um. But I just don't know what to do. um. Same suit here is 2. 5, 4, 4, 3, and now maybe num of pairs equal to 1. That's supposed to change anything. I don't know, I'm just typing in stuff and hoping for the best. Um, okay, so if I have high card, J, then it go here. If I have only high card, no J's, same suit stay at one, right? Will supposed to. Same suit 5 is fine. Same suit 4 is also fine. And pairs are maybe the problem is still here. Um so so card first. Here is if first card the if the card is not J and contains 2 cards, then I'm increasing number of pairs. Okay. What else? After I finish this, so I'm supposed to have a I have 2 pairs and no, it's a full house, right? So I have 2 pairs and 3, so 2 pairs and a J. So increase the sensor to 3. They're of a kind, and I'm supposed to be left with pair. Still work on my sample, but I changed stuff. Maybe not working on sample anymore. It works on that's good. Mm. So I have 3 of the same suit, and I have but I remember it as 2 pairs. Still fine because I'm checking if pairs is so in supposed to count the full house. If same suit is 3, again it's supposed to be counted. I have number of pairs. You can have 3 pairs now and still have checking here as I'm supposed to. Wait, what if I have so 2 pairs? The only way I have 2 pairs is without J's my input. Number of pairs I'm still can be. Thank you for following. Scared me again. I have to make it less loud. I don't know if it's loud for you all, but hello, Anjak the Mage. Glad to have you here. Uh, okay. Where was I? Descending into madness here. It's supposed to work. Uh, maybe the problem is not here. I don't know. Maybe the problem is worked before. It's not supposed to be not here. Worked for part one. I'm still doing the same algorithm of ranking them. So um no idea. Um it's like 20 lines of code. I don't see the problem. Uh if card first is not and card second is more than same suit equals to cards. Yes. Here, if it is okay, again, card second equals to 2. Put an else if maybe. I don't know. Will it solve my problems? I don't think so. But I guess I can try. It's not supposed to change anything. I mean, it did change the number. It's correct not to do it though. Yeah, I thought so. But I hoped for a second there because it changed the number. But yeah, I can't add else here. First one you hit is a 2, you'll ignore it. Um, Number also gets bigger, I think, and smaller one if I remember. Or no, he stopped providing me with information, so I can't binary search the answer there. Okay, right? Did I try it? Can I length is equal to 2 because I have now one pair. Nope, same answer. I think I also checked that, so. Oh god. God damn it. Okay, so this is fine. This is supposed to be fine, right? Before I'm just not counting the J's, right? I'm counting them here, so I know the amount of J's. Okay, I have this thing, and do it, and here I have my. This works, okay. I don't do it. And start with strength 1. Same suit 0, number of pairs 0. Fine. Damn it. Going on here. Card first equals to J. Second is bigger than same suit. Then I found my new maximum, right? Tunes. I'm also counting the pairs I have. Yeah, I get outside of here I can't get more than 2, right? I can't get 3 pairs. Can I get 3 pairs maybe somehow? Not checking J though, so I can't get 3 pairs, I think. Um, right. This is my hand. So let's say I have um, 2 twos and 2 J's and 1. So J will turn into twos. I'll count 1 pair and I'll count same suit 4. Add those 2. Why isn't it working? Oh, wrong. I don't know. Maybe I don't have the right input. I mean, I should have. I, I did it for the first part. Got the stuff for the first part, so supposed to be the right input. Going over the puzzle itself, I'm trying to read and see if I can actually screens. So, am I missing here something? They are the weakest now, weaker even than 2, so I'm putting them at 1. The other cards stay in the same order. Um, J cards can protect what is best. So, 4 of a kind. I was working ties between type J is always treated J. Right? That's what I was. Now the above this. Oh my god. Right, I have to finish in like 10 minutes. So I have 10 minutes to solve it. And well, I probably solve it tomorrow, or maybe if I think of something in middle of me sleeping, I'm gonna wake up and type the answer in. then go over it in the next stream. Yeah, I guess we'll see. Maybe I can solve it in 10 minutes. Maybe. So, what's the problem? It's really here. Not supposed to be here, right? Yeah, it goes over. Yeah, the problem here. We move it. I don't. It doesn't matter in enums, right? Because I told it equal to 1, so I'm trying it. I feel like I tried everything, right? What am I missing? I want to paste this answer again. I swear. Maybe I did paste the wrong answer and now I sit for half an hour. Okay. At the end of the 10 minutes, I'm going to paste this answer and see what happens. Oh. Fine. This is fine. Fine. Maybe this is something. Did it change? No, the rankings are the same. Yeah, not the same. I mean, the ranking system is the same. Am I sorting it correctly? Again, the sorting is supposed to be the same. Third. Uh, Here. Also supposed to be this. His hand wins. I have starting to. This is J. If it's J and it's 2, it will return false. So this is not the problem. This is not the problem. I think so, at least. Then I'm turning calculating in strength. Everything is supposed to be fine. It is not though. I think. Maybe I really pasted in the wrong answer last time. Anyone remember accident to paste the previous one and didn't copy this for some reason? It will be embarrassing if I did. Will be. Hey, edge cases, okay? Let's think about them again. Number of pairs 1. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Interest solution you could use to test your output. Oh, that could be nice. I'll be happy to. Yeah, you can. I see. I think I see. How do I run it though? I have to log in or something. Can I just copy it maybe? Will it work if I copy it? Source code. So I can copy it, right? But then expects a file called data.txt and directory. Okay. The problem. So I don't have maybe. I don't have 20. Let's check what version do I even have. Tell the targets. How do I do that? Here. Can't see. Can see on the Visual Studio what when I click on stuff. It share my screen, but I can't capture it for some reason. Build maybe? I'll search it up real quick. This link. Need a new project. Or this file is it? I don't see a main here. Oh, it does have a main. But still, I can just comment out the main there. Problem is how do I tell it target C++20, or do I need to actually create a new project to tell the target? Oh, I'm also kind of out of time. Uh, actually, I want to save it somewhere and check it out later. In general, I'll try to solve it by myself, but it's always good to see another solution. Available option project uh, project C plus. C plus C plus. As that you need to comment out your Yeah, I'm gonna comment out my what what's .msvc command. Have Can I just change the number to 20 here? I mean, I found what they mean. Okay, test. Oop, still. Oh, I have a drop down. Hi. Nice. I was just being stupid. Okay. And I'm gonna comment out my. eh, Yeah, I found that there was a drop down menu. Instead of drop down, I changed the plus 14 to plus 20 by hand. But yeah, I don't see any errors here. Also, you told me there was something about new line. Make sure the data exists and doesn't have the trailing new line. I can create it. I can create a data.txt, but how do I check for trailing new line? Oh, you mean here? Create that. You mean this? Parliament uses is hard coded in the main line one. Okay. I added this. Oh, oops. I'm not supposed to eat. My bad. New data just added.txt. Same directory as the executable when you run. It's in the same. You don't say it, but it's in the same directory. Literally is in the same. No, I mean it. Well, I didn't understand about the trailing new line. You mean it's not supposed to be here? What, this maybe? What one you sent me? Can you show that? Yeah, this is it. Not in the source, in the data. Oh, like open it and this. Wait, why doesn't? This is my data. If that's what you meant. Oh, okay. It. Uh, where is my? I don't know how to read. Not scratch, but camel some. Oh, you don't. And I'm just gonna paste it and go back. That's a lot of lines. Oh, I can just control A. But is this fine? There's not new line here. Start. kind of ran. Make sure you move at the end. I don't have a new line at the end, I think, here. Yeah, I don't have a new line. Here? Yeah, I didn't paste that. What do you mean? In the text document, I don't have a new line here. Text file. Okay, so run it. Total winnings are wildcards are. Yeah, I have a different check. This be mine. What? That's not. Why was it open? Okay, so this is what it's supposed to be. This is mine. I mean, it's quite close, I guess, but it's not. That's it. No. Yeah, now if you save it and it gets copied to the same directory as. Yeah, so it worked. This is what I got, and this is what I get from my thing program. Yeah, with sort you can. See what sorting. Yeah. I mean, I'm out of time right now, actually. So I'll have to finish for today. I'm sorry I wasn't able to actually. Or to maybe I'll come up with understand what's the problem in here in this till tomorrow when I'm gonna stream tomorrow probably. So maybe I'll understand what's the problem. I also go through your code. Even on maybe on stream if you're okay with that. Definitely like things I really hardly use pointers. I think that's a good learning experience. Actually understand what's going on here and how it works. So thank you for sharing the code. Thank you for the permission. I'll go over it in the next stream. And posting this on YouTube. I'm posting actually all my VODs on YouTube. Anyone interested, you have it in my Twitch bio. And that's it for today. Thank you a lot for Steve and for everyone for every viewer. Was fun hearing this followed screaming at me. uh, I'm gonna make it quieter. I hope it didn't scream for you. It was quite loud. And the Captain Coder, thanks for the raid. Definitely didn't expect it, but it was a positive experience. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make it less loud next time. Uh, uh, yeah, well, that's probably somewhere in the settings. So yeah, thank you a lot for watching and helping. And that's it for today. Thanks a lot and bye bye.